Hello students, this is the introductory video of 8253 timer IC or 8253 programmable interval timer, and in the syllabus when you will see the 8253 or 8254 both are given, and definitely both are the identical except only use of one command, that is the read back command. This is the additional version, or we can say additional feature of the 8254 timer IC. If you ask me what is the use of timer, then definitely timer is used to count the delay, how much delay you are giving to the microprocessor to execute the next command. Are you got it? The delay you are getting from the microprocessor to execute the next command. Definitely it is the same work as a counter, but there is the very little difference between timer and counter, but we can understand that both have the same features. Now 8253 or 8254 generally use as a counter or timer to giving the delay to microprocessor to execute the next instruction. Okay, now how it is work? Definitely if you load the counter with 16 seconds, it means the next instruction should be execute after 16 seconds or after 16-second delay. It means the counter counts 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and then 0. As the counter goes to 0, the next instruction will execute in the microprocessor. Our motto of this video, how to 8253 timer IC works, or we can say how to 8254 timer ICs work. Now let's we understand the working of 8254 with the help of the diagram. As you can see, this is the diagram. Here you can see we are using the three counter 0, counter 1 and counter 2. The 8-bit data bus D0 to D7, or the another functions to control the whole chip, that is read, write, A0, A1. It is clear? Now another function is the chip select, that is the chip select. Here you can see this is the chip select function. This chip select is used to whole control the IC, how is IC is working. This is the chip select. Now here you can see the D0 to D7 are the data bus, 8-bit data bus, which is used to fetch up the data into 8253. Next, read and write. These are read and write signal are used whether the data from microprocessor is read or data from microprocessor is write. The another two status signal A0 to A1 is used to control the counter 0, counter 1, counter 2 and control word register. If we say A0 A1 is equal to 0 0, it means the counter 1 will be select. A0 is 0, A1 is 1, counter 1 is select. A0 is 1, A1 is 0, counter 2 is select. When both are 1, control word register will be select. Now how is it work? When you load the data, or we can say when we load a number, suppose the number is 16. When we load the 16 in the counter 0 through the data bus, and for each clock pulse, at each clock pulse the counting begin decrease. It is 16, 15, 14 till 0. It holds the whole microprocessor execution, the whole microprocessor fetching until counter does not goes to 0. That is very simple process, but counter 0 will be select when A0, A1 is 0, 0. Counter 1 is select when A0 is 0, A1 is 1. Counter 2 is select when A0 is 1 and A1 is 0. Therefore, for the internal features we use control word register. That is the internal architecture which gives the specific operation for this IC. Here you can see the clock 0. The clock 0 function, for the each clock pulse the counter begins to decrease and it is given to the each counter clock 0, clock 1 and clock 2. Same for the gate function. Gate function gives the authentic signification to the all counters and the output from the counter is getting from the out 0, out 1 and out 2. Here the internal data bus operation is given. This is the internal bus connection between the all counters and all the status signal and control signal. Now if we talk about its frequency, each counter works on 2.6 megahertz. If we are applying it DC, then it has the only static operation. Now the same function, when we combined the whole block diagram in a single chip, then we will get, that is the simple pin diagram of 8253. This is the 24 pin IC. The first 8 bit is for data bit, 9, 10, 11 for clock 0, clock out 0, gate 0, that is representing the counter 1, 12 is ground. Next out 1, gate 1, clock 1, these are representing the counter 1, gate 2, out 2, clock 2 are representing counter 2. A0, A1 are status and all remaining 23, 22, 21 are representing the controlling signal. VCC is for supply. Okay, thank you.